Today we want to talk to you about the ohia tree. This is the most abundant native tree in the state of Hawaii. We're sure you all already know what they look like as they're avidly present on every Hawaiian island.
Ohia trees are culturally significant in Hawaii, as a part of them have been used in medicinally products for hundreds of years. Ohia tree wood is used for everyday tools and weapons. The beautiful flowers and leaves are commonly used in lei making and ceremony. Hula dancing was partially inspired by the movement of the wind of the ohia trees, and the dancers wear their buds or blossoms around their ankles, wrists, and headbands.
The ohia tree's wood is commonly used for construction, and many native animal and insect species make this tree their home. A major way the ohia tree impacts human lives is its capabilities for water storage. The leaves catch rainwater and filter it through the roots and underground lava rock into natural storage like a watershed that we can access for drinking water. 50% of all forests on Hawaii are made up of ohia trees.
In 2010, Hawaiians began noticing something strange happening to the ohia trees. They were dying of some unknown cause. This mysterious occurrence was a global anomaly and new to science. In 2014, the scientists identified it as a fungus and named it rapid ohia death, otherwise known as ROD. And by 2023, ROD had spread to every district in the state of Hawaii. ROD essentially acts to clog the ohia tree's versions of veins and arteries and kills it within a few days to weeks. The Big Island alone has already lost 1 million trees to the fungus. The good news is that ROD only affects ohia trees and will not kill other species. The bad news is that there is no cure to this fungus, and it has the potential to wipe out the entire species. Here we have Amber Milaki to explain how it spreads.
So some humans are moving it around on their shoes and on the vehicles. That's one way it's moving. It's moving by these tiny little beetles. As a tree is dying, it kind of emits the smell. We can't really smell it as humans, but the bugs can smell it. And the bugs love that smell, and they go to a tree that's dying and they make little holes in it. All that stuff that they're kicking out is like fine sawdust. All of that, it's called frass. All of that frass is infected, and it either falls to the surrounding floor, or what's worse, it's getting picked up by the wind. But the one thing about this disease is that the only way a tree can get sick is if it has a wound, so some sort of opening. If we were to do no management or anything along those lines, it would spread further than it has. It would kill more trees, and it would have the potential to kind of wipe out the population of these trees across the state.
Your shoes with alcohol before and after a hike in Hawaii, and making sure not to remove fresh ohia products from their growing places can help prevent the spread of ROD.
Thank you for listening, and we hope you've learned something new today about rapid ohia death.